You see how goofy I look? This is how 99% of men walk around in their life. You look sad, you look depressed, and you look like you don't even care for yourself. I'm here to change that. The reality is that horrible positioning starts developing over time because of mistakes you do on the daily. Today, boys, I'm gonna highlight 7 mistakes that every guy or girl does that ruins their posture over time, so I can make sure that you can stand taller, look leaner, look bigger, look more confident, and overall, more attractive. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1. Slouching over your phone. I think this is probably the biggest mistake everybody in our generation is doing that's destroying your posture. Just a 60-degree curvature on your spine, which is what most of us do, puts about a 30-pound load on our spine. This crushes our vertebrae and what ends up causing a lot of tension, pain, and discomfort throughout the day. So in the short term, what's going to happen is that it's going to lead to that strain and discomfort. But in the long term, you can end up developing a forward head positioning that looks unattractive. What you need to start doing is stand up straight and bring your phone up to your eyesight. This is going to remove the strain from your back and keep your spine in a neutral position. Number 2, slouching in social situations because you're shy. This happens every time. Look at next time you're at a house party or a social gathering, just look around. Notice their body positioning. Most of the people that are shy or not confident, they're going to start to slouch. Usually when you feel awkward, instead of making yourself appear bigger, taller, and more confident, everybody resorts to the same thing. They try to make themselves as small as possible and they start slouching. I want you to snap out of that and stand up or straight up around. See, and I'm not just screaming at you guys, I'm actually screaming at myself too, because I'm the type of guy that naturally has horrible posture, and I have to constantly be reminding myself, yo, stand up straight, yo, stand up straight. But I have to actively be doing that because my posture just sucks. Number 3, staring at your computer. Usually everybody does this because your screen is so low, you end up rolling your shoulders over. This just ends up triggering a chain reaction of bad posture, which just ends up exaggerating the natural curve of your spine, and then ends up pulling your head and neck into an uncomfortable position and can even decrease your lung capacity because you're collapsing your core and crushing your organs. So an easy fix to this is grab your computer screen, if it's a laptop, and stack it up on books, or adjust it to the point that the computer screen is at your natural eyesight when you're sitting up straight to avoid to ever have to slouch to look at it. Number 4, you're not moving at all. You see, our bodies, they're biologically created to be moving around all day. According to experts, staying in just one position for too long can be detrimental to your posture. Ideally, you should be looking to move around all day long and somehow change your body position every 30 minutes, whether that's getting up and just stretching out or going for a quick 2-minute walk just to get everything moving. Number 5, wearing a backpack on one shoulder. So many kids do this all the time, but this also is detrimental to your posture and can ruin it in the long term. When you just load on one shoulder, you're going to cause, again, an unnatural curvature in your spine where you're going to be leaning and overcompensating to carry that, and that's what's going to cause a lot of strain on your back and cause discomfort and bad posture in the long run. Again, boys, it's not hard. Put on the backpack the right way to load both shoulders and keep your spine in a neutral state. Number 6, driving slouching. When you're on the highway the next time, just look into the cars that you're driving to and look at yourself. Guaranteed, most people are driving in a horrible position. What you need to do, this is a hack that I do that helps not only keep you sitting up straight, but also builds up your core. When you're in the car, I want you to grab your rear view mirror and lift it all the way up as if you were a tall guy, that you're going to have to literally sit up as straight as possible to be able to use that. That way, every time you're driving and you look at the rear view mirror, you're going to be forced to sit up straight and remind yourself that you got to be up. This is also going to strengthen your core and perfect your position. And finally, number 7, if you're a weightlifter, you already know this, but lifting things up with your back. Even if you don't go to the gym, if you're the dude that stretches down and uses your back to pick things up, you're gonna blow your back, cause a lot of pain, and ruin your body posture. What you want to do, and again, if you're a lifter, you know this, you want to keep your spine in a neutral state and instead load up your hamstrings. They're gonna be way stronger to move objects, and it's gonna keep your spine safe and your posture looking proper. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 posture mistakes so many guys do that ruins the way you're standing. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. That's it from me today. See you next time.